So isoelectronic species, it means the species which having same number of electrons. Okay. So then C minus 4. So carbon atomic number 6, it consists of 6 electrons. So then 6 plus minus 4 means it gain of 4 electrons. So then equal to, it is 10 electrons. So it is 7 plus 3 equal to 10 electrons. So then 8 plus 2, it is the 10 electrons. 9 plus 1 equal to 10 electrons. It is 10 electrons, it is 10 electrons. So this 11 minus 1 equal to 10 electrons, because Na plus means it lose of 1 electron. So then 12 minus 2 equal to, it is 10 electrons. So then 13 minus 3 equal to, it is 10 electrons. So all electrons with the same number of electrons, that is 10 electrons. So now from left to right, radius or size what happens? Decreases, because negative charge decreases, positive charge increases. So then it is the, for example, m minus is greater than m is greater than m plus. M minus is greater than m is greater than m plus. It is the order. Okay. So now C minus 4 is greater than m minus 3 is greater than O minus 2, F minus Ne, Na plus Mg plus 2 Al3. So then minus 4 with more negative charge, more size. More positive charge, less size. What is a less size? So it is the isoelectronic species. Okay. Now after completion of this one, next one is variation of what is atomic radius. Variation of atomic radius in groups and periods, as well as transition elements, as well as inner transition elements. So now variation. So variation of atomic size. What is a variation of atomic size? Okay. So then first one is in groups. What is first one is in groups. So generally in groups from top to bottom or down the group, size what happens? Increases, because, so it is explained with one suitable example. For example, let us consider first A group elements. So that is lithium, it is sodium, it is potassium, rubidium, cesium, and what is francium. From top to bottom, atomic numbers increases. It is 3, it is 11, it is 19, it is 37, it is 55, and it is 87. So then its general electronic configuration is based on nearest noble gases. It is helium, it is 2s1, it is neon, it is 3s1, it is argon, it is 4s1, it is krypton, it is 5s1, xenon, it is 6s1, and it is radon, it is 7s1. So from top to bottom, n value increases. It means the differentiating electron enters into the new energy levels. So then for example, it is nucleus. This nucleus, it is 1s, it is 2s, it is 3s, 4s, 5s, and 6s, like that. Okay. So then it is n equal to 1, it is n equal to 2, n equal to 3, n equal to 4, n equal to 5, n equal to 6, like that. So it is a 2s1, 3s1, 4s1, 5s1. So then it is 2s, it is 3s, it is 4s, it is 5s, like that. It is the 6s. What is the 6s? So from top to bottom, n value increases, size what happens? Increases. So now it is explained with a suitable graph. Okay, what is a suitable graph? So now atomic size, it is taken on y-axis. It is the atomic size, and atomic number is taken on x-axis. If atomic number increases, size what happens? Increases. Size what happens? Increases. So it is lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, like that. It is the francium. So it gives a straight line with a positive slope, positive curve. So then lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, and what is a francium. Same as if you take seventh group elements. What are seventh group elements? Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine. So atomic radius increases. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, and astatine. It is a variation of atomic size in groups. So now variation in periods. What is variation in periods? So generally in left to right, atomic size decreases. What is atomic size is decreases. So now variation in variation in periods. Variation in periods. So in periods. For example, let us consider second period elements. What are second period elements? What are second period elements? So then lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, and what is neon. These are the second period elements. So now its atomic number 3, it is 4, it is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. From left to right, atomic number increased by 1 unit. What is 1 unit? So its electronic configuration 1s2, 2s1. So in lithium, valence electron present in second orbit 2s. So then beryllium is 1s2, it is 2s2. In beryllium also valence electron present in second orbit. So then boron is 1s2, 2s2, it is 2p1. In boron also valence electron, that is p electron, present in second orbit. So now it is the 2p2. So it is 2p3, 2p3, it is 2p4, 2p4, it is 2p5, 2p5, it is the 2p6. What is it? 2p6. From left to right, number of electrons increases, but the differentiating electron enters into the same energy level. So for example, it is nucleus, first orbit, second orbit, like that, third orbit. So then it is 1s2, it is 1s2. What is it? It is 1s2. So it is 2s1. It is 2s2. It is 2s2, 2p1. 2s2, 2p2. 2s2, 2p3. 2s2, 2p4. So 2s2, 2p5, and 2s2, what is it? 2p6. So then electrons are enters into the same energy level, but number of electrons increases. Then automatically nuclear charge what happens? Increases. Then size what happens? Decreases. What happens? Decreases. So the order of the radius in second period, lithium is greater than beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, and fluorine. Actually neon is the noble gas. Actually neon is a noble gas. In every period, large radius, large size element is alkali metal, large size. Small size element is the halogen. What is a halogen? So then in period, in period. So for example, let us consider what is a second period. What is second period? So neon is the large size because it is noble gas, no attractive and repulsion forces are present, van der Waals forces are present. So neon is greater than lithium, is greater than so on, is greater than what is fluorine. For example, let us consider third period. So what is third period? From sodium to argon. Sodium to argon. So argon is noble gas. Argon is greater than sodium, is greater than so on, what is chlorine. So then argon, neon is noble gas. Lithium and sodium is alkali metal. Fluorine and chlorine are the halogens. So these are the alkali metals. Alkali metals. What are alkali metals? Alkali metals. So these are halogens. What is halogens? So it is a variation of atomic radius in groups and periods. what happens to groups and periods. So now it is explained with graph. So then it is the atomic size. So then it is the atomic number, atomic size and atomic number. From left to right, what happens? Size is decreases. So then it is lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, and it is the fluorine. So then it gives the negative slope. So it is lithium, it is the beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, and fluorine. So it is a variation of atomic radius in groups and periods. So next one is variation of atomic radius in transition elements. What is third one is variation in, what is variation in, what is transition element or D block elements, transition or D block elements. So then variation in D block, what is a D block elements. Actually in D block elements, from left to right, atomic number increases, but the differentiating electron enters into the same energy level. So the nuclear charge, what happens? Increases, then automatically size also decreases. So now, for example, let us consider 3D series. What is a 3D series elements? 3D series elements. What are 3D series elements? Scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, ferrous, cobalt, nickel, copper, and what is zinc? Copper and zinc. These are the 3D elements. Okay, 3D elements. So now scandium atomic number is 21. 21.